Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young girl named Ella. Ella was kind-hearted and always helped everyone in the village. One day, the village elders decided to hold a grand contest to find the person with the purest heart, and the winner would be given the crown of glory, a magical crown said to grant wisdom and happiness. People from all around the village participated in the contest. There were many challenges, including tasks that tested courage, kindness, and honesty. Ella participated, not to win the crown but to help others along the way. During one challenge, participants had to cross a raging river. Ella noticed an elderly man struggling and, without hesitation, helped him across, even though it meant she would finish last. In another challenge, the participants had to gather rare flowers from a deep forest. Ella found her flowers quickly but heard a cry for help. She followed the sound and found a small bird trapped in a thorny bush. She freed the bird, letting go of her chance to finish the task first. The final challenge was the most difficult. The participants had to answer a question: what is the true meaning of glory? Many people spoke of riches, power, and fame. When it was Ella's turn, she thought about all the times she had helped others. She realized that glory was not about winning or being the best, it was about being kind and selfless. She answered, the true meaning of glory is helping others without expecting anything in return. It's about spreading kindness and love wherever you go. The village elders smiled and agreed with Ella's answer. They announced her as the winner of the contest, not because she was the fastest or the strongest, but because of her pure heart. They placed the crown of glory on her head, and at that moment, a warm golden light surrounded her. The crown glowed brightly, reflecting the kindness and love within her. From that day on, Ella used the wisdom and happiness granted by the crown to help the villagers even more. She became known as the kindest and most beloved person in the village. And so, the crown of glory became a symbol of true greatness, reminding everyone that the greatest glory comes from being kind and helping others. The village flourished under Ella's gentle guidance, and everyone lived happily ever after, inspired by her shining example. The crown of glory continued to shine, not because of its magical powers, but because of the pure heart that wore it.